Hi, have a good day. I'm Arpada from CSC department working as Master of Excel in SNS College of Technology. So as a continuous to my previous videos in neural network and deep learning, let's see about splitting our data set. So in the previous video, we have seen what is a data set and what are the pre-processing methods or techniques in identifying a particular image for classification. So the next is splitting our data set. So how you will split a data set for train your system or to analyze the data set. Okay, here let's take a grayscale image. Here the image is bisected into a 28 cross 28 matrix. So where the clear image is shown as in white and the edges around the particular image is shown in a grayscale and the remaining pixels will be empty. So how you will process this particular image? So the result of this given data set are recognized by the pre-processing and splitting process. So in the pre-processing, we have seen that so in pre-processing, the data set will be given. So it will be pre-processed. In the pre-processing, we will convert the color image into a grayscale image, size of 32 into 32, along which is the raw data, and it will train. The raw data will be trained. After train the particular data, the expected features are extracted from the data set, and it is reshaped to the extracted features. Okay, the actual image will be as a 32 into 32, 32 cross 32 matrix, and after the particular data is pre-processed and trained, and the extracted features will be reshaped to 28 into 28, 28 cross 28 matrix. So this 28 cross 28 matrix image will be feature mapped, and it will be sent to the CNN for training. So this particular the final image, preprocessed image, will be sent for the training using CNN, convolution neural network. The trained data will be the output. So this is the pre-processing methods. So based upon this, the output we have received is 28 cross 28 image. So the results given dataset will be recognized and recognized by the pre-processing and splitting process. The output is shown as what image is given in the input. So this is the output image. So here let's take a cat and dog. So labeled photos. Here the labeled photos. Okay, these photos are cat and these photos are dogs. So based upon these photos, we are training the set and we giving the data set for getting the output. So the each image will be pre-processed layer by layer, and it will be pre-processed and splitted and converted and trained, and the final output will be received. So let's see how neural networks plays a major role in medicine. So as you know, artificial neural networks (ANN) are currently a hot research area in medicine. Example: cardiograms, CAT scans, ultrasonic scans, etc., etc. So the neural networks are ideal in recognizing disease using scans, since there is no need to provide a specific algorithm on how to identify the disease. So neural networks learn by example, so the details of how we recognize the disease are not needed. What is needed is a set of examples that are representative of all the variations of the disease. For example, if I want to identify or diagnose a heart disease, we have to give the records or images based upon the heart disease patients who were diagnosed, and the data set available based upon those disease will be given to the system, and the system will be trained accordingly, and it is used to predict the heart disease. So like that, all the data set which represents the particular disease are collected and be trained, and it is used for diagnosis. Let's see the applications of neural networks other than medical. medical field. Okay, the neurons have broad applicability to real-world business problems. In fact, they are already been successful in many industries like sales forecasting, industrial process control, customer research, data validation, risk management, and marketing. So, based upon the neural network, there are n number of industries or uh, playing a vital role, so which earns a lot of profits by analyzing the data sets of their customers or the data of their customers. So AI are also used the following specific paradigms: recognition of speakers in communication. So speech identification and handwritten word recognition and facial recognition. For example, let's say handwritten word recognition here. Uh, it is a collection of different users writing the numeric values. Here the four is written in three different ways, and it should be recognized as it is a four. And five is written in a specific way, and it is identified as five. And as you see, nine is mentioned in two different ways, and it should be recognized as a nine. So this identification will be done with the help of ANM and also the facial recognition. So here, let's see, based upon the data set we have provided, it have to identify each object in this particular image. The first image contains a dog, a bicycle, a car, a tree. These are the main objects in this picture. So here, the particular picture is converted into a matrix, and each matrix will be considered for identification. So based upon this matrix, it is grouped into three. It is mainly grouped into three. So the first one is the dog, the second one is the bicycle, and the third one is the car. So this is the final output. So with the help of neural network in this image, so most of the objects should be identified with this, and based upon the data set we have trained, it identifies the it processes the image and identifies the values. Here it identifies the cars and the persons correctly, and the accuracy ranges 97%, 66%. Right. Okay, let's conclude this video. So while in this computing world has a lot of gain from neural networks, their ability to learn by example makes them very flexible and powerful. And it is also suitable for all most of the real-time systems. Neural networks contribute many other areas of research like neurology and the pathology and the psychology. Finally, I would like to state that even the neural networks have a huge potential, we will not get the best of them when they are integrated with computing, AI, fuzzy logic, and related subjects. Thank you.